In this video, we will calculate the probability of the union of two events. So let's review how we do that. We are given a formula for calculating the union between two events, call them E and F. In order to do that, we simply add the probability of E and the probability of F, but we have to subtract off their intersection. And we do that because that intersection, where they both overlap, is included in this E and F, so it would be double counted if we don't subtract it. So here's the formula we're going to use anytime we're asked for an OR probability, which is a union. Let's try the first example. A card is drawn from a standard deck. Find the probability of drawing a spade or a 10. So we want the probability of a spade or 10. In order to find that, we first need to find the probability of a spade, the probability of a 10, and the probability that a card is a spade and a 10. And then we can plug those numbers into our formula. So from a standard deck of cards of 52, what's the probability that we draw a spade? Well, spade is one of our 4 denominations of cards, and there are 13 of each of those, so it is 13 over 52. And I'm not going to simplify it for now. Now, you can if you would like. When we randomly draw a card from a deck, what's the probability that it is a 10? So 10 is one of our number or face cards, and there are 4 of each of those, so it is 4 to 52. Again, I'm not going to simplify just yet. And lastly, we want the probability that a card is both a spade and a 10. There's only one of those cards in a deck, because for each of these 4 10s, there's one of each of the denominations. Okay, so now we have all the numbers we need to plug them into the formula. So we want the probability that a card is a spade or a 10 is equal to the probability of spade plus the probability of 10 minus the probability of that intersection, spade and 10. Let's plug in our numbers. We get 13 over 52 plus 4 over 52 minus that 1 that lives in both of those spade and 10 so that we don't double count it. And this is why I didn't simplify, so that I could easily add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. So 13 plus 4 minus 1 is 16 over 52. Now this we can simplify, reduce it down, divide by 4, and we get 4/13. That's our answer as an exact fraction.